how to fix TikTok message option easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix the message option on your TikTok easily and fast. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. Open the apps, and now on this page you would find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find TikTok and click on it. Now all what you want to do here is click on this force stop here to stop the app, and then go to the permissions, enable all the permissions, go back, click on the storage, click on clear data, and then click on delete, and then you have to go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for TikTok and click on update. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, thank you for watching.